got lost in each other's eyes, then threw away the map and lost the key. God sent them their first two kids, one named Fire, the other one Wind, with a note that floated down for them to read. It said, "You asked what it was like up here for me. Mother Earth and Father Time fell in love over Appalachian wine, hit a rough spell and almost lost their minds, raised a little hell before they fell in line." Fire came out with a restless soul that only got worse as he got older, till finally he got too hot to tame. Tom said, "Son, I know it's hard, but you're breaking your mama's heart." And Fire looked up through tears that made the rain. He said, "Why is it everything I love I set aflame? Mother Earth and Father Time fell in love over Appalachian wine, hit a rough spell and almost lost their minds, raised a little hell before they fell in line." Wind was born to the open sky with a bad temper and a wandering eye that kept him on the run for most his days. Earth said, "Listen here, my child, see, I used to run that wild, 'cause it's hard to put a finger on the pain. But son, you can't outrun a thing like shame." Then Time and Earth fell on their knees and prayed, "Dear God, oh can't you see? The fire's too hot, the wind's too cold, and loving them is gonna kill us both." Then God reached down and took their hands, dried their tears and smiled and said, "That's kinda what it's like up here for me. Yeah, loving them will cost you everything." Mother Earth and Father Time fell in love over Appalachian wine.